The strategic timing of J.Lo's divorce filing, insights from divorce attorneys by Satori News. The curtains may be closing on the love story between Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck, a romance that fluttered hearts with its rekindled fervor. Amidst the backdrop of personal and professional accomplishments, the news of their divorce punctuates a chapter that is as dramatic as it is rich with implications. Lopez's choice to file for divorce on August 20th, notably the second anniversary of their Georgia wedding, did not arrive as a bolt from the blue, given the visible distance that had wedged between the two stars. Still, pairs like Lopez and Affleck, vested with considerable wealth and stature, wield the narrative with great discretion. Sources close to Lopez suggest the absence of a prenuptial agreement, which is a point of intrigue and speculation. The subject of a prenuptial agreement, or the strategic lack of its disclosure, unfurls layers of conjecture among legal experts. Prominent divorce attorney Nancy Kemtob emphasizes the couple's likely intent to seal the details of their arrangement away from public scrutiny. This discretion could mirror smart, preemptive legal action rather than an actual absence of any agreement. Christopher Melker, a veteran in the domain of celebrity divorces, also casts doubt on the notion of the couple navigating marriage without a premarital agreement. Lopez's silence on the existence of a prenup in her filing should not precipitate assumptions, stresses Melcher, urging careful consideration before jumping to conclusions. Another bewildering move by Lopez is her decision to list herself as self-represented. But as Melcher suggests, such a maneuver could be a theatrical flourish, signaling that the couple may have already reached an amicable settlement, a stark contrast to the prolonged affair of Affleck's previous divorce with Jennifer Garner. Kemtob hints at the couple's probable recourse to mediation, surmising that the division of their assets, including their $68 million Beverly Hills domicile and their respective intellectual properties, have already been discreetly managed. The divorce's timing, coinciding with major political events and personal milestones, carries an air of precision and intent, which Kemtob dubs as strategic and brilliant. While the exact motives remain veiled, the date selection suggests an undercurrent of dissonance, possibly marking a day of significance with a definitive act of separation. Despite the turn of events, the history of Bennifer, an on and off trail spanning 2 decades, opens the possibility of future reconciliations. Kemtob, drawing from her experience with clients who have revisited past relationships, holds on to a thread of optimism for Lopez and Affleck, entertaining the thought that separation might not spell the absolute end. Thank you for choosing Satori News.